Writing is a skill that can actually make you rich. Yes, you can think of a copywriting as the skill of writing promotional emails, fundraising campaigns, Facebook ads, social media posts, website copy, or actually anything, you name it, because copywriting is completely related to persuading your audience to take action. I have helped hundreds of my clients with copywriting. So if you would like to see copywriting in action, then this video is just for you. And you can start by giving me a thumbs up below so that I can build this community. Hey guys, it's Megha and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm gonna be sharing some tips on getting things started and beginning to grow your at-home copywriting business. Moving forward, let me address the most important question here is, why is copywriting so important? And the answer is that it helps you to achieve your business goals by convincing your target customers that your product or services will solve their needs and offer them value. In simple words, you are an avenger of digital marketers. I am sound bit biased, but believe me, being a freelance copywriter is truly a wonderful career opportunity because it is a 47.7 billion industry where you will find plenty of ongoing work plus little bit competition, provided you are willing to work hard and you are open to learn anything. And let me tell you a secret, copywriting is a career which is very easy to break into than any other, because all you need is a laptop and a work document. There is no other prerequisite to it. I have been able to sustain myself and my family thanks to my copywriting business. Whether it's a small business or a big one, everybody wants to go online, and I found myself lucky enough because when I started my copywriting business, I was able to connect to lots of startups, and in this process I have also learned a lot about startup cultures both in India and in abroad. I literally had no idea that a copywriter has so much opportunity here. You could be from any background, you could be a nurse, an engineer, a teacher, or someone who is willing and free enough to give its imagination and creativity a second. I was able to learn how to copyright when a friend of mine asked me to write a copy of mall to persuade his leads for the services they offered. It took me more than a week to draft the final copy, but luckily it worked and he was able to sell his services. As a result of that, not only that I started working for his marketing campaigns, but also he made more than 5 lakhs that month. That was my biggest push, and after that I enrolled for various online copywriting courses and I started to learn several concepts of it. I was essentially starting from scratch because when it comes to building and starting my own copywriting business, I don't want to take any risk. You are just starting out in the copywriting world or you have been as it for a while, always remember what works in one situation might not be appropriate for another, because there are certain steps that all copywriters need to go through when they begin their copywriting careers, and if they don't learn these basic building blocks, then they may find their businesses crumble before them. From what to do to what not to do when starting your first copywriting business, this video is all about a lesson that I have learned during my journey. So be sure to watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing some amazing hacks and websites from where you can earn as a copywriter. And before moving ahead, let me make it very clear to you that to be a good copywriter, you don't need to be a grammar Nazi, or you don't have any, you don't need any certifications from the premium institutes. All you need is a creativity and passion. With that, let's move on the first 4 steps that you should take if you are starting at home copywriting business, especially in India. As an aspiring copywriter, you need to learn from the best. There are many copywriting secrets out there and there's only one way to find them. You need to follow someone who's already mastered their craft and became a sponge for all the information you need. You can enroll in some programs or webinars. Also, reading inspiring books and practicing on daily basis are the best ways of becoming a copywriter. Do let me know in the comments section if you want a video on books that you should read if you are teaching yourself how to become a copywriter. And you can also connect with me for more insights. One thing that never changes in this business is the fact that there's a ton to learn. I'm always studying new things and staying on the top of trends, whether it's internet marketing, personal development, or inspiring stories. There is no limit to how much knowledge you can absorb and apply. So I get started with online education, and that has always been my niche of copywriting. I truly love writing about it, and similarly it may be possible that you love reading let's just say astrology. That can also be your niche too. There are lots of startups in India which are blooming in this field, and you can directly contact them and show your some work. Step 3, pitch yourself. Whether you know it or not, you are a salesperson. If you are working for a company, then you will be selling your company and its products. If you are an entrepreneur, then your ultimate product is yourself, and you are going to learn how to write for other people and sell products for other people. So you need to know how to sell yourself. Being in this industry for so long, I have realized that lots of companies are not looking for an experienced candidate to hire, but the reality is exactly opposite. Now they are seeking for someone who is really willing to learn, as they would be best fit to adapt their brand. So if you are a fresher, don't worry, just be super confident and learn how to pitch yourself. Step 4, build your online portfolio and profile. If you are approaching your client as a freelancer, then you would need your portfolio. Your testimonials are going to play a crucial role in increasing your conversions. Your customers will be looking for rates and reviews from your past clients. So always try to find testimonials from your previous job placements, because they are very powerful in getting potential candidates. Be on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. Always have a personal website and get your awesome portfolio, because these are the things your customers search about you on the internet in order to verify your credentials and identity. Now, as I promised in the starting of this video, that I'll be sharing the names of some websites from where you can earn some money as a content writer or as a copywriter. So I have linked all those websites in the description box. Go and check it out.